Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be cooking two types of spicy peanuts. The first one is roasted masala spicy peanuts. The second one is toasted masala spicy peanuts. Let's start the video. These are the ingredients. Raw peanuts 1 cup, oil 2 teaspoon, red chili powder quarter teaspoon, salt as needed, curry leaves as needed, Asafoetida 1 teaspoon. Now the pan is ready to cook. I add 1 cup of raw peanuts. Roast the peanuts until it cooks. Leave the stove in medium flame. Roast it slowly until it pop. Now the peanut is roasted. We have to saute the masala. I add 2 teaspoons of oil, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, salt as needed, Asafoetida 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, saute it nicely. Now the masala is ready to mix it with the peanuts. Mix it well. Now the masala peanut is ready. Roasted masala spicy peanut is ready now. I add 1 cup of raw peanuts. You have to spread the peanuts in the tray. Now we have to preheat the OTG or toaster oven for 10 minutes. We can put it in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. After 5 minutes, you have to check, spread the peanuts. After 8 minutes, we have to check the peanut is ready. Look at the peanuts. It's not get the dark brown or blackish. Now the peanut is ready. We have to saute the masala. I add 2 teaspoons of oil. I add chopped garlic, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, salt as needed, Asafoetida 1 teaspoon, curry leaves as needed, saute it nicely. Now the masala is ready to mix it with the toasted peanuts. Mix it well. Now the toasted masala peanut is ready to serve. Now roasted masala spicy peanuts and toasted masala spicy peanuts is ready to serve with the coffee or tea for evening snacks. Try the recipe and comment below about your experience. If you like my videos, please like and share. Improve your health with the delicious South Indian food. Thank you.